Subscribe to Filmy Mirchi for more Bollywood updates.
We still have the luxury of a retake. So my respect for the armed forces at that time and Captain Vikram Batra fighting and serving the country at that time is 10 100 folds. And in that much stress, for him to say this iconic line at that time, "Ki ye dil mange more," is such a cool rock star kind of mindset. That's the only tagline that I'm living with now, and hopefully people will also. This year was such a special and emotional feeling. We were sitting, in this very well organized function there in Kargil, and to see, even after 22 years, all the families come. One member or the other comes and lights a candle for their loved ones. Was just a very special feeling, and I just want to say this film is dedicated to all the martyrs. Around 527 martyrs that we lost during the Kargil battle. Hoping and praying that people remember them and hopefully get inspired from their stories.
कि एक फिल्म है क्योंकि इसमें दिल मांगे मोर है और उसमें ये बहुत ही कमाल के डायलॉग्स हैं जहाँ पे ना ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़ा सा ड्रामेटिक है. इट्स अबाउट द पेट्रियोटिज्म, इट्स अबाउट हम झंडा लहरा के आएंगे, आप फिर झंडे में लिपट के आएंगे. सो दिस drama है, right?
In battlefield, telling his superior sitting there on top of that mountain and saying "Ye dil mange more," sir, was actually his line. He said that. I mean, there's a documentary interview also narrating that, very famous one.
Companies success can was "Ye dil mange more." The guys were so highly charged up that they're wanting that some more bunkers should have been there and we would have got the more chaps.
But तिरंगे या तो तिरंगा लहरा के आऊंगा या उसमें लिपट के आऊंगा. He actually said it to his best friend in Palampur.
फिक्र न कर जानी, तिरंगा लहरा कर आऊंगा, नहीं तो उसमें लिपट के आऊंगा, लेकिन आऊंगा जरूर.
Because Captain Vikram Batra himself was such a filmy buff that he used to love to narrate these lines in a very casual way, of course, not that he was mimicking anyone, but just उनकी सोच ऐसी थी. तो उसमें ये सब लग रहा है जब हमने डाला है पिक्चर में, तो people think, but I would like to put it on record that it's all Captain Vikram Batra's lines and his personality that we're trying to show, which looks filmy, and I think it was destined to be made, and today it's coming out.
आप जब इस देश में रह रहे हैं तो आप थोड़े बहुत फिल्मी तो होते ही हैं. मतलब हर किसी का कोई एक ऐसा डायलॉग होता है कि पलट, सिमरन या जो भी. इज इट अ डायलॉग जो आप इस्तेमाल करते हैं या अपनी खुद की फिल्मों से या फिर जो फिल्में आपने देखी हैं उनमें से?
It might sound obvious, but for now the only thing that goes in my head is to say "Dil mange more."
ये दिल मांगे मोर, sir.
I mean, hats off to Captain Vikram Batra to be in that battlefield. We shot in Kargil, actual locations, 12,000 to 14,000 feet. We still have the luxury of a retake. So my respect for the armed forces at that time and Captain Vikram Batra fighting and serving the country at that time is 10 100 folds, because we've got a slight jhalak of it. And in that much stress, for him to say this iconic line at that time, "Ki ye dil mange more," is such a cool rock star kind of mindset, and that's why I feel that's the only tagline that I'm living with now, and hopefully people will also.
जब वो जो पूरा पोर्शन आता है जहाँ पे आप सबको पेप कर रहे हैं, राइट, एज ऑफ कोर्स कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा, और काफी सारी चीजें चल रही हैं, I'm like yeah let's do this, we also like as the audience we're like हाँ ठीक है, this is great stuff. पर जैसे कि आपने गन की बात करी, आपने ये सारे जो फिजिकल डिफिकल्टीज या ये सारी जो चीजें आई हैं, और प्लीज सिद्धार्थ, आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू, वो जो गन है वो कितनी भारी होती है, कितनी मुश्किल हुई आपको, वो जो प्रेप है, आपकी आवाज वो थोड़ी सी हैवी सुनाई दे रही है. इट्स नॉट द सेम सिद्धार्थ दैट वी नोन. ठीक है, ये सिद्धार्थ है ही नहीं.
पहाड़ है, पत्थरों के, बड़े पत्थर, छोटे पत्थर, वहां पे कोई पेड़ नहीं है जिसमें आपको छांव मिले. तो उस मिट्टी में, पत्थरों के बीच में रहना, आप काफी मिट्टी खाते भी हैं, चबाते भी हैं, और उस दौरान आपकी आवाज का एक अलग टेक्सचर आता है. बट आई फील इवेंचुअली जब हमने पिक्चर देखी तो हमने कहा यार ये जरूर हमें ऐसे ही रखना चाहिए. जो इसका एक थोड़ा रॉनेस आती है, एक थोड़ी खराश आती है आवाज में, वो उसको और रियल दिखाने की कोशिश करता है, जैसे कि हमने बाकी सब पिक्चरों में करी. पूरी पिक्चर में कोशिश की है कि जितना हम रियल दिखा सके, चाहे वो माउंटेन क्लाइंबिंग हो, जो आप वेपन की बात कर रहे हैं, वो ऑल थैंक्स टू द इंडियन आर्मी, हमने एक्चुअल इंडियन इंसास वेपन यूज किया है, विच इज अ फंक्शनिंग वेपन. उसमें ऑब्वियसली बुलेट्स वर फेक, जो गियर्स हैं, जो बूट्स हैं, जो स्पेसिफिकली उस 99 में उन्होंने यूज किए थे, इट्स मेंट टू प्रोटेक्ट फ्रॉम विंटर, इट्स नॉट मे बी पॉसिबली मेंट फॉर कंफर्ट, बट और उस पहाड़ पे जिस तरह के इंक्लाइन होते हैं, तो शू बाइट्स जो करके हमें डबल डबल सॉक्स पहननी पड़ती है. एज आई सेड, सी हम फिर भी वी वर गेटिंग रीटेक्स. I have heard stories of, you know, our soldiers who were under so much pressure and time constraint कि वो रेगुलर जूते में आ गए, स्नो बूट्स में भी नहीं. उन्होंने कितनी चीजें, बैटलफील्ड में इतना स्ट्रेस था कि यू नो दे वुड टाई अदर क्लॉथ अराउंड देयर फीट. हमने जैसे डिस्क्राइब कर दिया 4 लाइन में, सो एंड सो स्ट्रेस हैपनिंग एट द बॉर्डर. तो कितनी चीजें हैं. पहले खुद को प्रोटेक्ट करना, फिर आप एनिमी को यू नो अटैक कर सकते हैं, फिर उनको एक स्ट्रैटेजी होती है, एक फिजिकल मेंटल टफनेस होती है. आई थिंक ये रियलाइज हुआ है कि जो हमारे बॉर्डर्स हैं are a very, very tough terrains to protect, and that's why I feel, you know, Indian Army is one of the best armies in the world, that they manage this time and again.
Yeah.
And the jazba that they have is like no other, because they live in such tough conditions. So more respect to them. And I'm anyways from my grandfather a part army brat. My grandfather was from the army, who fought in the Indochina battle. He did get injured and he retired early. So there are you know, that side I'm aware of. I was not obviously there, but to see it now as an adult firsthand is a different experience. And salute and respect to all the armed forces, all the men and women protecting the country today. And I hope that they feel that we've done justice on this film called Sher Shah.
Fab. Quick questions, quick answers. Name a person from the industry जिन्हें आप ये lyrics जो हैं वो dedicate करना चाहेंगे. बंदा कुक्कड़ कमालदा.
अक्षय पाजी.
ये छोरी बड़ी ड्रामा क्वीन है.
कियारा आडवाणी.
लड़की ब्यूटीफुल कर गई चुल.
ये आलिया पे सूट करता है, I think.
जो तू मेरा हमदर्द है.
जो बहुत ही इमोशनल डायरेक्टर है, मिलाप जवेरी, जो प्रीवियस थे, उनको दुख दर्द बांटने में बड़ा मजा आता है.
If given a chance, would you travel back in time या फिर you would travel ahead in time?
Depends. If I could experience, for sure, and be just an audience to the major events in India before independence, India during independence. My family came from Pakistan, which is now Pakistan. Maybe seeing that phase of my family and lineage and my genetics.
I am the best choice of actor for Vikram Batra's role in Sher Shah because
I just felt, yaar, ki this could be my family.
Yeah.
No, this could be my cousins. Could be very possibly. I was very close to my father. Joined the forces. I could have possibly been there. So just that emotional connect. तो I think एक कभी connect होता है कि आप उनको अपने घर में देख सकते हो या अपने को उनके घर में देख सकते हो अपने आप को. I think that for sure. At core, we both are the same Punjabi boy at heart.
Yeah, and filmy.
And filmy, yes, correct.
And filmy. Okay, this or that, you have to pick either or. Yeah. Vada pav ya pani puri?
Pani puri.
Clean shave ya stubble?
If I had my way, maybe it's the new clean army look, would be clean shave.
Passenger ya driver?
I love cars, man. When I came in to Bombay, there were so many rickshaws that we were taking, and धक्के धुक्के खा रहे हैं रिक्शा में चल रहे हैं, तो हमेशा सपना था कि यार गाड़ी चलाएंगे. So I like driving, but unfortunately time कम मिलता है. But at night, you can sometimes see me around in Mumbai driving.
Just imagine I'm trying to check out every car. Siddharth?
हाँ, correct. पर अपने mask का फायदा हो गया. That is actually, I'm really using that to my benefit.
Fantastic. Reality show या documentary?
A documentary.
The Office या Friends? Have you seen either or?
I've seen both here. I've seen both. Friends show is probably my first love because I started seeing it in school, college, and I got into Office much later. So maybe in that note, from an emotional point of view, it has to be Friends.
Friends is bachpan ka pyar and Office is, yeah. Dating apps, yeah, meeting people the old-fashioned organic way.
Never been on a dating app, so I don't know how that works. So
really?
Old-fashioned.
That you have it so easy. We are all on a dating app. How very difficult it is.
Oh, no. Try meeting people in person. That's hard to say no. So it's very possibly easy to swipe on a dating app. Yeah. So
it's the pandemic now, so it's very difficult ho jata hai. Anyway, thank you, Siddharth. Take care of yourself.
Thank you so much. Lovely chatting with you.